Good morning, first phase students. Today, the topic is complement of a set. In set chapter, first chapter sets. In sets chapter, the complement of a set is the reduced syllabus in this year. So, that syllabus I didn't say. So today I will explain in sets reduced syllabus. Complement of a set. The complement of a set complement of a set is a reduced syllabus. So I will explain today. So complement of a set. Complement of a set is nothing but let U be the universal set. You know universal set? Universal set, universal. This is the total set, the biggest set. Okay, universal set and a subset of U. A is the subset of U. Then the complement of A is the complement of A is the set of all elements of U, which are not the elements of A, which are not elements of A. So what is the meaning? In A complement is equal to X belongs to U. X is a complement elements. So elements. So X belongs to U and X not belongs to A. Simply A complement is equal to the complement is denoted by A or A power 1 A complement. A power 1 this is denoted by complement. So with respect to U. So in the definition, this is the set builder form. The complement of a set builder form. So x is that x belongs to U and x not belongs to A. So U minus A. A complement is equal to U minus A. For example, B complement is equal to U minus B. C complement is equal to U minus C. D complement is equal to U minus B. So in the problem, U is what and C is what? The both sets are given. Okay. So this is the complements of a set. Next one is properties. Some properties of complement. Some properties of complement set. Some properties. First one is A union A complement is equal to A union A complement is equal to U. The second one is A intersection A complement. A intersection A complement is equal to pi. A intersection A complement is equal to pi. Next, the third one is A union B whole complement. A union B whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. A union B whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. So A union B whole complement is equal to A complement. Union complement union is reverse intersection. Union complement is intersection. Intersection complement is union. So B complement. Next to fourth one is A intersection B whole complement is equal to A intersection B whole complement is equal to A complement union B complement. A complement union B complement. So, fifth one, A complement whole complement is equal to A complement whole complement is equal to A. A complement whole complement is equal to A. Sixth one, pi complement is equal to what? Universal minus pi. Universal minus pi is equal to what? Universal. Okay. Next one. Universal complement, pi complement. Universal complement. Universal complement is equal to universal minus universal is equal to pi. Universal minus universal is not a zero because of set two sets, two same sets. So difference is empty set, not zero. Zero is not a set. So because of universal minus universal is equal to pi. So this is the properties of sets, properties of subsets. Next, go to the exercise 1.5. First problem is let u is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. And C is equal to and C is equal to and C is equal to what? 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the given data. So find A complement. Find A complement. A complement is equal to universal minus A. A complement is equal to universal minus A. Universal is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Universal is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Minus A. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus means remove. U minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 remove. Deleted from the universal set. 1, 2, 3, 4 elements removed from the universal set. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the A complement? A complement is equal to remaining 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is A complement. Next, the second one is B complement. B complement is equal to universal minus B. What is the universal? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minus B. What is B? 2, 4, 6, 8. Universal minus B. So that is equal to from the universal remove from will remove 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. What is the remaining? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. This is B complement. This is B complement. Now next to A union C whole complement. A union C whole complement. Next, the third one is A union C whole complement. A union C whole complement. So first of all, A union C. What is A union C? A. A is equal to how much? A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Union C. C is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is equal to what is the union? Union means all elements. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6. All elements will combine plus. Okay, all element union means this X belongs to A or belongs to A or B. So A union C means A or B. Okay. So totally. So 3 2 times. So we can write only one time. So 4 2 times repeated. So we can write only one time. This is A union C. So next one, A union C whole complement is equal to A union C whole complement is equal to formula universal minus A union C. Complement is nothing but any set complement is universal minus that set. So A union universal means what? Universal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minus A union C is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is equal to universal. Remove from the universal. Remove the A union C from the universal. Remove means 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The remaining elements are 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. So, next one. A union B whole complement. A union B whole complement. First of all, we have to find out A union B. What is A? A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Union B. B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. Union means A or B. So 1, 2 times. Only can write one time. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 6, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. Next, A union B whole complement. A union B whole complement is equal to universal minus A union B. Universal minus A union B is equal to universal is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minus universal minus A union B. A union B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. So that is equal to remove. The A union B is remove from the universal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. So the remaining is 5, 7, 9. So fifth one is A complement whole complement is equal to A complement whole complement. So first of all, A complement. A complement is equal to universal minus A. So already we have find out A complement. A complement is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A complement is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A complement whole complement. A complement whole complement is equal to universal minus A complement. Universal is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Minus A complement is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 5, 6, 7, 8 remove from the universal. The remaining elements are 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, clear. So next to B minus C whole complement. Next one is B minus C whole complement. First of all, we have to find out B minus C. B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 minus C. What is C? 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. B minus C. What is the meaning of B minus C? X belongs to A, but X not belongs to C. X belongs to B. X does not belong to C. So, in comparing 6, 6 cancel, 4, 4 cancel. So, what is the remaining? Only B. What is the meaning of B minus C? Only in B, not in C. So only in B 2 comma 8. 2 comma 8. So B minus C whole complement is equal to B minus C whole complement is equal to universal minus B minus C. Universal means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minus B minus C is equal to 2 comma 8. Minus means remove 2 comma 8 from you, 2, 8. So what is the remaining? 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. This is the first bit. Next, second bit is, second problem is, if u is equal to given A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, E, F, G, H. So, find the complements of the following sets. Find the complements of the following sets. So, what is A? A is equal to ABC. A is equal to ABC. A is equal to ABC. A complement is equal to universal minus A. A complement is equal to universal minus A. Universal is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H minus A. A is equal to ABC. A is equal to ABC. So, what is the remaining? ABC removed from the universal. So, remaining is D, E, F, G, H. D, D, F, G, H. Next one, B. B is equal to D, E, F, G. D, E, F, G. So, what is B complement? In the B complement formula, universal minus B. Universal is universal minus B. B means remove D, E, F, G from universal. So D, E, F, G. The four are removed. So A, B, C, H. A, B, C, H. A, B, C, H. Next one is C. A, C, E, G. Third one is C, G equal to A, C, E, G. That implies C complement is equal to C complement is equal to universal minus C. C complement is equal to universal minus C. So in the universal, remove from AC, BC. A remove, will remove. C will remove. You have to remove. And E, G. So A remove. Next to that is equal to B. What is next to B? B. Next to C. C will remove. C will remove. Next to D. E. E also remove. So E, F, G, H. This is next to D is equal to D into D complement. So this is the complement of a set. So once again, I will explain complement. First of all, complement of a set. Let U be the universal set. Once again, let U be the universal set. U is nothing but universal set, and a subset of U, the complement of a set. So this is complement of a set. U be the universal set and A is a subset of U. Then the complement of A. Then the complement of A is the complement of A is the set of all elements. Set of all elements of U. Set of all elements of U which are not the element of A without element of A. Okay. Totally the complement is nothing but universal. Universal without A, not elements of A. Symbolically, we write A dash. A dash to denote the complement of A. A dash, B dash. B dash is nothing but the complement of B. C dash is nothing but complement of C. D dash is nothing but complement of D. So complement of A with respect to U. This is the universal complement of a set. The notation, set builder form notation, the notation of complement A. A complement is equal to set of all x such that x belongs to U and x not belongs to A. Obviously, A complement is equal to simply U. U means universal. Universal minus A. B complement is equal to universal minus B. C complement is equal to universal A plus B whole complement is equal to universal minus A union B. So, some properties of a complement of a set. Some properties of complement of a set. So, A union A dash. A and A complement union is universal. A and A complement intersection is a pi because of A and A complement both are do not match. Okay, reverse A intersection both are opposite. So A union B, this is the distributive laws. Distributive laws. So A union B whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. So A complement means A complement union complement is intersection. So B complement. A intersection B whole complement is equal to A complement intersection complement is union equal to B complement. Okay, this one. Next, A complement whole complement is equal to A whole complement. Okay. Next to pi dash. Pi complement empty complement is equal to universal. Universal complement is equal to empty. Universal complement is equal to empty. So exercise first problem. What is u? U is equal to 1 to 9. U is 1 to 9. A is equal to 1 2 3 4. B is equal to 2 4 6 8 and C 3 4 5 6. First A complement. A complement is equal to universal minus A. Universal 1 2 3 not so 9. Minus A 1 2 3 4. Minus means in only x belongs to u, x does not belong to under, x does not belong to a. This is the definition of some minus. So remove 1 2 3 4 from universal set. Remove 1 2 3 4 from universal set. So 1 2 3 4 removed. The remaining elements are 5 6 7 8 9. The remaining elements are 5 6 7 8 9. So B complement. B complement also u minus b. U 9. B 2 4 6. U minus b. Okay, universal from universal. The 2 4 6 8 set will be removed. So the 2 4 6 8s are removed. The remaining elements are 1 3 5 7 9. 1 3 5 7 9. So next to A union whole complement. A union whole complement is equal to, first of all have to find out A union C. A union C. So 1 2 3 4 union 3 4 5 6 means union means what? R. A R B R. R means combined all elements. Each element repeated only one time. So 1 2 3 repeated two times. So you can write only one time. 4 one time. 5 6. This is the union. Next, complement. Universal minus A union C. Universal is equal to what? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Minus A union C means 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 removed from the universal. So 1 2 3 4 5 removed. After the remaining elements are 7 8 9. This is complement. Next to A union B whole complement. Next to A complement whole complement. A complement whole complement is equal to what? A complement minus whole complement means universal minus A complement. A complement is already done. A complement. So universal minus A complement. 5 6 7 8 removed from universal. The remaining elements are 1 2 3 4. So the same way, these are same things. Okay, tomorrow I will continue next problem. Third, this.